Hello, I'm Elaine. Have you ever tried broccolini? It has been my recent favorite food. I will introduce a super easy way to make a 5-minute broccolini stir fry without blanching. Let's begin. Broccolini is a hybrid of broccoli and Chinese broccoli. It has super long, slender stems and small florets compared to broccoli. Peel the tough skins and cut them in half. The stem is similar to that of asparagus, so the treatment is similar too. We all know tender stems have a crunchy texture, and the best part is it does not have only bitterness at all. Nutritionally, it's rich in vitamin C and A as well as dietary fiber. You can find it in many grocery stores, often labeled as baby broccoli or tender stem broccoli. Wash the broccolini and drain completely. Cut the dried chili peppers into small sections. Chop garlic roughly into larger pieces. Add the broccoli to a wok, stir fry briefly, then add water. Cover the lid and let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Then move the broccolini to the sides and leave the center empty. Add oil, garlic, and dried chili peppers. Fry until aromatic, mix well. Add a small pinch of salt and a drizzle of soy sauce. Quickly combine everything and serve hot. I love this non-blanching method so much because it is quicker and there is no need to boil a large pot of water. And most importantly, we keep both the crunchy texture and vibrant green color perfectly. Give it a try. See you next time. Bye!